Once upon a time, in the heart of World War II, there was a city named Stalingrad. It stood as a symbol of resistance and resilience during one of the most pivotal battles in history. In the summer of 1942, Nazi Germany launched a massive attack on Stalingrad, hoping to crush the Soviet Union. The battle began with relentless bombings, turning the city into a fiery inferno. The odds seemed insurmountable for the defenders. The Soviet soldiers and civilians, however, refused to surrender. They fought with unwavering determination, defending every street and building. As the winter of 1942 approached, the Soviets launched a counteroffensive. They encircled the German forces, cutting off their supply lines. The harsh Russian winter added to the misery of the already weakened Nazi army. Amidst the ruins of Stalingrad, the Soviet soldiers pushed the Germans back, street by street, building by building. In early 1943, the Germans realized the futility of their efforts. Surrounded, starving, and exhausted, they surrendered. The Battle of Stalingrad was over. The city had held, and the tide of World War II began to turn in favor of the Allies. The Battle of Stalingrad teaches us that even in the darkest of times, resilience, determination, and unity can overcome the greatest challenges. The defenders of Stalingrad showed that the human spirit is indomitable, that in the face of adversity, we can rise to greatness. In our own lives, when faced with seemingly insurmountable obstacles, we must remember the spirit of Stalingrad. We must stand strong, never give up, and keep fighting for our goals and values. Just as Stalingrad turned the tide of the war, our unwavering determination can turn the tide of our own battles and lead us to victory.